Okay, you're good. But are you in the 1% club? Well, greetings, everyone. Jeff Shore. Welcome to another 5-minute sales training. Let me ask you a question. How intelligent are you?
You think you're pretty smart, don't you, Trebek?
Some would say that such a measurement can be found by taking an IQ test. Now, if you look at this handy graph, you're going to see something interesting. You'll see that 2/3 of the population tests in the 85 to 115 range when it comes to their IQ. How high on the scale do you have to be to legitimately test in the top 1%? Well, according to the scale I just showed you, you'd need to score in the high 130s. That is some serious smarts. You didn't get there because you were born that way. You learned, like learning and stuff. It's like books and things like that make you like smart. I mean, look, you might have been that kid that just excelled at every academic subject. I wasn't. I mean, you probably got your share of wedgies, but you also got straight A's.
Look, the snow's melting. With a little help from our friend sodium chloride.
Here's another example. Think about the number of people who golf in the world. How cool would it be to find yourself ranked in the top 1%? Or to be in the 1% best when it comes to public speaking skills?
Reset. Go back and start with the question of who is our customer?
Okay, I think my editor is trying to win points right now. But how about being in the top 1% in sales? And I don't mean the top 1% in your company or in your city. How about being the top 1% of all salespeople? What would that look like?
Oh, hey, what's up? I'm a superhero.
Now, I'll give you some ideas as to what it would look like, but even the very thought process of getting there should be motivating. You can see those opportunities that you might have to really boost your game. So here's the question. What do top 1%ers look like? What do they do? I'll give you a few ideas on this. Number one, they have to win. Top 1%ers have an extraordinarily high achievement drive. They don't know how not to win. That's what they do. They win. Coming in second drives them nuts. But because of that, what happens? They do the things that they need to do in order to win. They see themselves with high achievement drive, and then that self-paradigm drives their activities day after day after day. But they have to win. Let me just challenge you right out of the gate. Do you have to win? Or are you okay coming in second or third or seventh? Top performers have to win. Here's the second thing that top 1%ers do. They protect their positive energy at all costs. They understand that their energy gets adopted by their customers and that people buy more and more quickly in a positive emotional state. So top 1%ers, they guide that energy altitude, that emotional altitude. They look at it and they say, if I want my customer to be high positive energy, I have to go first. I have to model that. They are extremely protective of their positive emotional state. Are you? Or do you let negative influences from other people or from the media or the things that you're reading or watching? Are you letting them take down your mental state? Top performers always protect their mental state. Here's a third thing that top 1%ers do. They never stop learning. Top 1%ers understand that to plateau is to die. It would drive them nuts to think that they're not getting better, that they're not getting stronger. A fourth thing that top 1%ers do is that they live in a growth mindset. Carol Dweck wrote an excellent book called Mindset, and it separates out those who have a growth mindset versus those who have a fixed mindset. Those fixed mindset people look at it and say, this is the best I'm going to be. What are you going to do? I mean, I can't be a superstar. I just don't have it in me. But people with a growth mindset, they're limitless. They can do whatever they set their mind to. They believe in their own potential. And then finally, number 5, and this is fairly ironic for top 1%ers, they're not trying to be better than anyone else. They're only trying to be better than themselves. So where are you? I mean, use that list as a scorecard. How do you measure up? If there's ever such a thing as Mensa for salespeople, I want to see your name on that list. Now, it takes some hard work, but I know you can do it. You can be a top 1%er. Let your mindset go first. Let your skill set and your actions follow suit. Hey, thanks for watching today's 5-minute sales training. I've got a lot more to teach you about follow-up. Mastering Sales Follow-Up is my brand new online masterclass on the subject of sales follow-up, what to do when the customer says, not yet. This virtual masterclass is an indispensable resource to allow you to maximize your virtual follow-up efforts. This is a deep dive, step-by-step guide to level up your follow-up skills and earn elite top 1% status. Enroll in Mastering Sales Follow-Up today. Check out the link in the description below, and until next time, learn more to earn more.